Look at my cute pets. This is a fluffy cat. This is a happy dog. This is a singing bird. Subscribe for more friends.